Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine and you have seen my first video, that is lecture 1. So in that we have started a new chapter, that is your multiples, right? So from your book you can see, so here I told you what are the multiples and how you can find out the multiples, and also I told you how to solve the questions from exercise 6.1, and I have received some of the solved answers, and for that I just appreciate the students whoever have sent it me. Today in this video we will learn about common multiples. As I told you before only, common means what? Same. Okay, so in my in the previous chapter you have already learned about common factor, right? So that means whatever the numbers will be given, suppose two numbers is given to you, so in that two numbers, what are the factors common in between? Okay, that means between them what are the common numbers, common factors they have, they are called common factors. So here also you have to find out the multiples, but as I told you that multiples are different than factors, right? Factors are the two numbers that we multiply, and the multiples are the number you get by multiplying, that is called multiples. Okay, so here one very interesting picture is also given to you to make you understand the common multiples. So here you see Mr. Vakil. Okay, so here Mr. and Mrs. Vakil, they are standing, okay, and there is a road. So here it is said that Mr. Vakil steps on every third tile. Okay, so suppose he's means he is here, so third means 1 2 3, third tile, right? Again 1 2 3, okay, again 1 2 3. So you can see this green color, right? So these are the steps for Mr. Vakil. Okay, and it is said that they have already been shaded. Okay, so as it is given green color, so you can see that, and it is said that Mrs. Vakil steps over 2 tile at a time. Okay, that means she cover 2 tile, 1 2, okay, then again 1 2 1 2 1 2, like that. So in that case it is you can see here it is given cross mark. So already this third one is done. Then let's do it here 1 2. So this one you can cross, then 1 2 1 2, right? So in this way you can also cross it. So here can you observe something? This is green color as well as the cross mark is also there, right? Here also you can see green color and cross mark is also. That means this is the point where their steps are same. Okay, so we can say that here 6 is the common number for their steps. Okay, when they were skipping the number and they were walking, so at that time in this tile they meet. Okay, so Mr. Vakil's steps are multiple of 3 as he is taking 3 3 tile. Okay, and Mrs. Vakil taking 2 2, so that means multiple of 2. Here you can see it is already written. Now you can see some coloring numbers. So these are the common numbers having both the cases. Okay, here you see 6 6, 12 12, 18 18, 24 24, 30 30, right? So in this way we can find out the common multiples. So this is a very interesting picture. I will show you one more example. So you can see students, here I have one example, 6 and 12. So we have to find out the first 3 common multiples. Okay, that means in case of 6 and 12 we have to find out 3 common multiples which will be same in both the cases. Okay, 6 also and 12 also, that number will be same. Now as you can see, how to find out the multiples? By multiplying starting from 1. Okay, so I have written some multiples here up to 6, and here also I have written the multiples of 12. Okay, now let's compare. Here it is 6, but here we don't have any 6. Now 12, here yes 12 is there, so you can mark this, and as they are common in both the cases, so we can consider it as what? Common multiple. 18 no, 24 yes, so you can also circle this number. These are common. 30 no, 36 yes. Now you see, you may also ask me that ma'am, where do we how do we learn or how do we know that where we have to stop? So from the question itself it is said that 3 common multiple. So already you get 3 common multiple. That means further no need to do. Okay, no need to find out the other multiples. As I told you, multiples are never ending, so if you start doing, then it will never stop. So that is why, how do you come to know that where you have to stop? You have to stop by looking at the question. Whatever it is said to find out, if you get all of them, then you have to stop. So at last we can write that therefore first three common multiples of 6 and 12 are 12, 24 and 36. Okay, they are same. I have written here. Now I can show you this with the help of number line as well. So first of all, how to do that? I have drawn here one number line. Okay, there I have mentioned some numbers also. First of all, we will step for 6. So 0 to 6, then 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24. Okay, so these are the multiples of what? 6, as you can see already here. Now for 12, first step will be 12, 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. So here you can see this is the common place, right? You can see this is the common place where you can see both the number, like 6 times tables also we can find here, and 12 times table also. Similarly here, no, we cannot, but yes, in case of 24, yes, you are getting both the numbers. So 12, 24, they are what? They are common in both 6 and 12. Okay, so that is why these two numbers can also be considered as common multiple of the two number given. Okay, so similarly here space is not there, so I have shown only like up to 24. So if you draw so on, so you will also get 36 in the number line where they will meet like this way. Okay, so I hope by using number line also you can find out the common multiples. We will discuss further about this in our exercise. Okay, so let's begin. Students, we will continue from question number 1, exercise 6.2, page number 105. So first of all, let me read the question. Write the first 10 multiple of 3 in the blue circle. You can see one blue circle. You have to write first 10 multiple of 3. That means 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, like that way up to 10. Okay, so it is done. Now let's see what it is said. And the first 10 multiple of 5 in the white circle. In this white circle, similarly like 3 you have written, you have to write for 5. Okay, 5 1 ja 5 2, 5 10 ja 50. Rewrite the common multiples of 3 and 5 in the light blue part, and you can see here one light blue part. Okay, so this one I'm not doing here because this one I think you can do it. So this is a task for you. This both the circle you have to fill. Okay, I think you understood what you have to do. 3 times table, 5 times table, and you have to find out the common multiples. Okay, so you have to just no need to give the multiple sign and all. You can directly write as 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, like this way. So if you write it here also, you write, then you will get some common, and that one you have to write it here. Okay, in this light blue color, then you can find the common multiples. Okay, I think it's clear to you. Now let's do. So here you can see ring the number that are multiple of 3. Okay, we have to give a ring who are the multiple of 3. Put a square around the multiple of 4 and then list the common multiple. So let's do it. How to do? So first of all, 3 1 ja 3, 2 ja 6, like this way you have to just circle. So in this way you have to complete it. And now let's do multiple of 4. So yeah, you know it, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, like this way you have to. So now you can see all the multiples of 4 is also done. Now have you seen something? Can you observe something here? So yes, you can see here both circle and square boxes are there. That means these are the 3 common multiples here. Okay, between 6 and 4. Okay, so I hope you understood this, and if you draw such kind of figures, then it will be like more interesting for you to find out the common multiples. Now as I told you about number line, so here two numbers are given, so I'll show you one how you have to do. So 2 and 4. So first of all, let's mark for 2. So from 0, if we start the multiples of 2, you have to just mark in this way. Okay, So now 2's multiple are done. Now we will do 4. Okay, so from 0 you have to start, and it will go 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, so like this way you have to mark it. Now you see the common point here, 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 sorry, not here, yeah, here and here and here, right? So you see 1 2 3 4 5. So here you can find out first 5 common multiple of 2 and 4. Okay, so in this way you can do. Okay, so here I have made circle, so no need to make this circle. Once you can see here the common point, so that one you can just mark in this way. Okay, so that means that number will be considered as the common multiple. So I think you can do for 2 and 5 also here. Okay, now question number 4. The question is given, find the first two common multiple of 5 and 6. So A number I am doing 5 and 6. So first of all you can see I have written the common multiple for 5, multiple of 5 and multiple of 6. Then I founded the common multiple. So 30 is common here also, and 60 here also, here also. So you can see by this way we can find out the common multiple, and at last I have written the common multiples are 30 and 60. But there are some other ways also. If you are not comfortable of writing all this multiplication like this way, okay, as it is taking more space and it will take more time also, for that I can suggest you one more method how you can write it down in your copy. So preferably you can use this method to write. Okay, so first of all 6 and 3, right? So first of all I will consider this 6. So let's write the multiple of 6, and no need to give this into sign and all, directly you can write it down. So as you know, up to 10 so you can write, right? 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Like this way you have to continue up to 10 you have to write. So students, you can see I have written, okay, from 6 to 6 1 ja to 6 10 ja. Okay, here also 3 1 ja to 3 10 ja. Okay, so up to this much time sure you all know about it. Okay, those who don't know about multiplication table, you just go through students, because it is very very important. Otherwise you can't able to do or can't able to solve any problem for this chapter. Not only this chapter but also chapter 5, chapter 4, chapter 3 you can't able to do. So that's why my suggestion is go through and every day you just recall the multiplication table. Otherwise you can't able to do it. Okay, so that is very very important. Just remember this. So up to 10 to you all can do, right? So this much we will write. Now according to the question we have to find out the first two common multiples. So now let's see what are the common multiple here. You can see first one is 6, and here, yes, you can find 6 and 6. Yes. Now here it is 12. Oh, you get another common factor, common multiple, right? So 2 already you get. So that means no need to further you will get more multiples which are common, but according to the question you need to find out only 2. So if you write up to this, then also okay. So what are the common multiples here? First common multiple, they here 6 and 12. Okay, so I will suggest you that up to 10 to you all know, right? So between them you can find out the multiples, and if it is more like you are not getting, okay, suppose if you consider this case, so up to 5 means 10 you have written, here also 10. So in up to this much you are not finding any common factor except 30, right? Because you need another 60. For that you have to multiply with 11, 12, then you can get. So in that case you might multiply with some other number more than 10. So that is different case. Okay, if you're not finding, then you have to check by multiplying further numbers. But in this case, if you stop by writing only these two number and only 4 numbers from here, then also it is okay. Okay, if you're not writing all these multiples, then also you can find out the common multiple, and that is perfectly okay. Okay, so in this way there are so many numbers given in your book. So here so many are given. So I hope that while doing this you will definitely gonna enjoy this, and you can find out the first two common multiple, and also you can investigate for further common multiples also, because in exam here it is given 2, but in exam maybe I ask for 5 multiples or 6 multiple. So in that case you have to find out more, and in that way how you can find out, you have to find out first of all the multiples, and then you have to see what are the common. Okay, now let's do question number 5. So first one is given 30 is the multiple of 5. Yes, because 5 6 ja 30. So yeah, true. 18 is the multiple of 8. 8 1 ja 8. 8 2 ja 16. Right? And 8 3 ja 24. So 18 we are not getting. So it's false. 7 is the multiple of 21. No, it is false. But yeah, 21 is the multiple of 4, but 7 is not the multiple of 21. Okay, as I told you before also in that previous exercise, right? 7 is the factor, not the multiple. 30 is the common multiple of 5 and 6. Already I have shown, right? 30 is the common because 5 6 ja 30 and 6 5 ja 30. So yeah, true. Right? So in this way, this true false you can write it here only, like I have written here, and this one also you can do it in your book. Only this question number 4 you write it down in your copy and you can send me. And students, for your more practice, you can go through this chapter checkup in page number 106, and here you will get some more number to find out, and you can try it out. Okay, so thank you so much.